So hi everyone. Now let's understand that how does Python evaluates such expressions into a value. As without having an understanding of operator precedence, it's really difficult to figure out that how Python has evaluated this expression into the value 53. So first let's understand what is a operator precedence. So this is a operator precedence table. Now where to find out this table? So one thing, I have given a link in this video description. Over there also you can find out this operator precedence table. Else go to the google.com, type expression in Python and make sure in the end you mention python.org. So that will take you to the official documentation of Python and it will take you to this link expressions. Then click it on this link, then go deep down below and then you will find over here this operator precedence table, this one. Now let's understand a bit about this operator precedence table. So if you look at this table consists all of the operators whatever the applicable in Python, and whatever the operator is on the higher side or in this table is having the higher precedence. So if you look at highest precedence goes to the parentheses and lowest precedence goes to the assignment operator. So as per this table, exponentiation operator will be having a higher precedence than all of these multiplication, modulo, divide operators and then addition and subtraction operator, because exponentiation is on the higher ranking is in this table. So exponentiation is having higher precedence the bottom of all of these then operators. Now relevance of this operator precedence. So the relevance of operator precedence is this: with the help of operator precedence we can figure it out which operation will be executed first in this expression. Whatever operator is having higher precedence, that operation will be evaluated first. And if you look at in all of these operators, highest precedence goes to the exponentiation operator, but we have two exponentiation operator over here, this one and this one. So to understand this part, read this particular statement. It says operators in the same box group left or right except for exponentiation, which groups from right to left. So this is the important thing. For exponentiation, it is right to left. So if you are having multiple exponentiation operations in a expression, in that case they will be evaluated from right to left. So whatever is the rightmost, that will be evaluated. If there are more exponentiation operators in between that, so then they will be evaluated in the right to left, and whatever is the leftmost, that will be evaluated in the end. So the first thing will be evaluated 3 exponentiation 3. It will be evaluated into the value 27. Now out of all of these operator, highest precedence goes to the exponentiation and there is no other exponentiation operator. So this part will be evaluated. So 2 exponentiation 3, it will be evaluated, or let me evaluate it in the next part. Yeah, 8. Now out of all of these operator, which one will be evaluated? If you look at now, the highest precedence is having the multiplication and divide operator, but multiplication and divide operator is having the same precedence. So when they are having same precedence, in that case they will be evaluated from left to right manner apart from exponentiation. So when operators are having same precedence, then they will be evaluated from left to right manner. So this part will be evaluated first and then this part. So let's evaluate this. 24 divided by 4, it will be evaluated for 6. Now out of all of these operator, highest precedence goes to the multiplication operator. So this will be evaluated into 18. Now we have addition and assignment, and higher precedence goes to the addition operator, but we have multiple addition operator. So when different operators are having same precedence, so they will be evaluated from left to right manner. So left to right manner, that means this part will be evaluated first. So let's evaluate this part first to 26. Now we have two operators, assignment and addition. So addition will be executed first, right? Because it is having the higher precedence. So this part, so 26, sorry, yeah, so to 26 plus 27, it will be evaluated to 53. So that's how this expression evaluated into the value 53. And without having understanding of operator precedence, is really difficult to figure it out. That's the reason operator precedence is a very important concept in programming, and it is applicable to almost all the programming languages. A bit of a variation, but core concept will remain the same. So I hope you have learned something new in this video. So please subscribe my channel and please leave a comment, and don't forget to continue watching other videos as there will be new video releases every week. So thanks a lot guys and happy learning. Bye bye.